you're gonna have your groups line up behind the cones, and then once the students are given the command, they're going to run in, grab a chicken, and then put it in their hoop. After that person goes to the back of the line, the next person in line can decide whether they want to take a chicken or an animal from the middle, or if they want to steal from another group and bring it back. The first team that gets 5 wins. If there is no team that gets 5, that is okay. Some safety we want to go over. We want to make sure that nobody's crowding the playing area. We want to be single file behind the cone. And when they come in to grab a chicken, we don't want to enter head first. Kind of go to the side and then bring the chickens back. Can I have about 6 volunteers?
Let's go, Killer.
Alright, so we can have about 2 behind each cone. One more? Alright.
Somebody's over there. He's over there.
So when I say go, the first person that's behind the cone is going to run, grab a chicken, put it in the hoop, and then they're going to go back to the line. And then the next person can either steal from the middle or from another group's hoop. Alright, ready? Go. So we can put all the chickens back in the middle.